Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a list of 7 important questions which you should ask from your prospective partner. In this list, there are questions that might be relevant for you and others might not hold much significance. See, everyone has a different set of preferences and different non-negotiables. Now, these questions can be uncomfortable for you to ask, but keep in mind that these get answered before you are committing to get married, or better yet, even before committing for engagement. Remember, you are setting a foundation which is helpful for a more fulfilling marriage. So, this list is in no priority or significance. Let's begin. Number 1, health, especially about reproductive and sexual health. Consult a doctor and understand what all tests shall be done. Exchange test reports. Talk about all the aspects of each other's health very openly and very clearly. Also talk how important it is to stay healthy for you and what kind of lifestyle you both follow. Let's move on to the second point. Want of kids and when. Many people today wish to remain child free or do not wish to biologically have babies. So ask whether you would like to have kids, when and how many. Also tell your own preferences. I'm sure neither of you would like to get surprises later in life. Third point, salaries, spending habits and saving tendency. This is one of the most important things that should be discussed in detail. And mark it, it should be in black and white. That is, you should actually check the balances or the ITR for income and salary so that there is no room for deception. Discuss how and who will manage the expenses of household, how much of it will be spent and what will be saved. Is the person a saver or a spendthrift? In the absence of this communication beforehand, marriage becomes a constant annoyance. Let's move on to the fourth point, which is career and ambitions. How ambitious the person is. How will it affect work and life balance if they are over ambitious? What if they don't have concrete plans for the future? Ask if they enjoy their work and where do they see themselves in long term. Tell about yourself. Next, socialization with family, friends, and boundary settings. How much social person you yourself are, and how do you like your partner to be? How is your partner's relationship with their parents and siblings? How either of you will enforce boundaries with friends and family, say so they do not become a hurdle in your marriage life. Next is conflict resolution. Discuss how the prospect thinks about the subject of revolving conflicts. Tell them how you yourself tackle these conflicts in your life. And the last point, past relationships. Be open about telling and asking about past relationships. It is essential for a lasting marriage that disclosures are made about the past. For many, it will be a big red flag if other person has a bearing of past relationships in their mind. So don't do this mistake of concealing about your past if it still matters. Now understand, many of these questions are very tough to ask and you can seem to be coming off as interrogative. But while talking, you can keep a very conversational style of approach. And when you tell something about yourself, expect the other person to reply about the same before you move on to the next topic. This is an inexhaustive list and many of these questions require much more deliberation and a lot of talk about it. So I will try to cover them in a separate video. I'm going to bring a lot more content around the topic of relationships and marriage. So like and subscribe this channel. Share this with someone whom you feel is on the path of getting married. You can comment your observations and if you have any queries. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.